Hey guys, Rich here, flipping for a living. I hope you're having a great Saturday evening. It's just after supper here, getting close to sundown, and it was a really good Saturday of yard sailing, and I don't have time to go through the probably 50 or 60 things I bought today, so I'm just going to go with the best. I'm going to highlight my 10 best finds of the weekend, I guess, basically, not just today. So it's a little bit of a bragging video, but it's also meant to show you just the amazing deals that you can find at yard sales, the best place to thrift, bar none. So those of you who are in areas where you can thrift 12 months a year, I am super jealous because I get 5 or 6 months at the most. Anyways, starting off right here, I don't know why anybody sells this big 3-sided Little Tikes play center for 20 bucks, but that's what I got this for at a little town sale about 17 minutes out of my city, and 20 bucks. I got a post right now for 150. A lot of activity on it already. Guaranteed I'm gonna get 125 for it, if not the full 150. So one item, $100 profit. Two more things right here. This nice little tool chest. It's kind of like the $20 section. I also paid $20 for this. It's in really nice shape. It's a little bit dusty, but we'll clean that up. And I'm probably gonna post this for also, I mean, it's not a big brand name. I don't know all my brand names of tools, but I know this isn't a good one, but it's got nice sliding drawers. The bearings are nice on it, and it's in good shape. 20 bucks, I was thinking 50, but now I'm probably gonna push for closer to 80. I've sold ones like this before for 80, so I'm pretty confident that we're gonna get another 60 bucks profit there. Again, no packing, no shipping, no fees, all profit, because this big stuff is local. Get yourself a truck, get yourself a van so you can buy this stuff locally. Third thing, this Bell bike Chariot. I guess Chariot's a brand name. This is Bell. It's got the real bike wheels, not the plastic ones. It's in pretty good shape, a little dirty, but still. Another $20 purchase. I got that also posted for 150 bucks, and I'm pretty confident I'll make a $100 bill. So those 3 items, $260 profit off of 60 bucks. And let's go to the backyard now and look at 7 more great finds from this weekend. There goes my tool chest already. In the back of the truck. 80 bucks. $60 profit. Just like that. I know that I said I was going to the backyard to show you the rest of the top 10. Meow. Meow. Muffy. Meow. Oh, thank you. But I had to come inside because when you go yard sailing, you always have to take care of the ones you love if they can't go with you and find their own treasures. So this actually was probably, well, it's definitely one of my top 10. It's all of this. This Avon person was overstocked, clearly. I got 40 different items here, all new in the box, Avon stuff. And just for example, this alone sells for $29 Canadian on eBay right now. There's 3 of these in here. I got all of it, all 40 items. All 40 items for 30 bucks. She had them 3 for $5. No, what was it? $2.50, 5 for $10. 3 for $5? Anyways, whatever it was, I said, I'm in a hurry. How much if we just dump it all in the box? And we agreed at 30 bucks. So my wife has, and probably my mom and mother-in-law and sister-in-laws have Avon stuff now, Avon skincare, and new for to use for a long time. So yeah, number 4. Meow. 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 You want to go outside, Muffy? Do you want to go outside? Now let's go look at the other 6 best finds of the day. So right here, in no particular order, this is my 5th great find of the weekend. This bike, I've bought and sold a lot of these. Not getting in the pictures very well there. I've bought and sold a lot of these over the years. Usually get about 75 bucks a piece. But this one is in fantastic shape. It's got those awesome ankle scraping, shin scraping pedals. No rust on it anywhere. It's like it was stored. It was also from that out of town sale. It's like it was stored inside for the last 4 decades. The seat's like perfect shape, you know, no cracks, nothing at all. So I actually posted this one already for $125. I'll take the first 100 I get. Paid 10 bucks. Any bike you get, if the brakes are working, the gears are working, especially if it's adult size that you can get for 10 or 15 bucks, buy it instantly. I guarantee you you'll get 50 bucks for it, if not more, like I'm gonna get for this one, because it's such a good shape. So let's go find 5 more great finds this weekend. All right. This one kind of blew me away. This yard sale, I was there at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it started at 12. And I walk up the driveway and this amazing, I believe it's oak, old office computer chair is sitting there for $1 and it had a twin. So there's another one over there. 2 of them for $2. And you know, at first glance, before you really start looking, it might look just like a crappy old office chair, but when you really start looking at the lines, that is a mid-century chair for sure. Quality wood chair. The base is just solid wood, super nice. And it is the H. Krug, K-R-U-G Furniture Company. If you look that up, they may not be Herman Miller, but they're definitely still sought after by a lot of people. I may put the time in to touch up this a little bit. The arms are a little bit worn out, as you can see there, but it isn't going to take much. This is a super popular stain color. I have this color for sure, and I may just touch that up, and this could end up being $100 to $150. It's even got the original casters on there. But yeah, it's just super great quality, a decent brand, and $1. Like, we're literally gonna get $200 off of $2. So we got $90 profit over there, $290. What else did I show you? No money off of the stuff I bought for my wife. So we're back down to $260, $60 on the toolbox, $320, $100 on the bike trailer. Oh yeah, since I started this video, someone is meeting me at the barbecue to buy the bike trailer for $120, so I'm making a pure $100 profit on that. I've lost track already, but including the stuff I bought for my wife, all that Avon stuff, we're in for like 92 bucks, and we're selling 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, and the slide, $650. So that's $550 profit basically off of the first 6 items, including the Avon stuff, for my beautiful bride of 25 years. All right, 4 more things. I'll find some smaller ones. Okay guys, so just to wrap things up, my kind of top 10, for different reasons, my top 10 of the last 2 days of yard sailing. For the obvious, let's go to the couple obvious things. This Garmin GPS G-Trex, the only new one I found sold for 126 Canadian. I don't even believe that. Sometimes when I see these numbers, I don't believe that they can sell for that much. But anytime you can find something like this for $5 new in the box, you don't even need to comp it. I didn't comp this. I knew it's for sure going to be worth $40 or $50. make an easy 30-40 bucks on eBay, but it turns out I can make quite a bit more. But for sure, you know, like a $50 bill, profit off of that, $5. I love turning $5 bills into 50, and that's for sure what we're gonna do with this. Yeah, it's a little bit dusty, but it's an N64 with a licensed controller and a memory card in the non-licensed controller. First thing I saw today, first yard sale in the small town, this on the table for $5. Well, I asked how much and he said, I don't know, $5 is good. And of course I didn't hesitate. Sorry, I think I just had a little bug fly in my ear. Of course I didn't hesitate at that. And a little pointer, you guys, when you do buy something like this, there's no games. I obviously asked him, is there any games? No, I can't find them. But do not hesitate to leave your number with the person, which is what I did. I encouraged him to put it up on his fridge under a magnet and call me the second he digs out the games. Because where there's a Nintendo 64, there's Nintendo 64 games. You really can't have one without the other. So I expect a phone call from him sometime in the next week or two, or maybe a month. I've had people call me back after 6 months when they say, oh yeah, I finally found those old video games. So it doesn't take more than 30 seconds to leave your number. So another $50 for sure profit off of $5. And video games like this, you guys, you don't need to sell them on eBay. Sell them locally. If you're in an area with 100,000 or more people, there's going to be enough collectors that are willing to buy that, or nostalgic people who are willing to buy that for the same price that you're going to get on eBay. No packing, no shipping, no fees, all profit. You know how it goes. Try local first for a week. Figures, sealed figures. If you can find anything that is horror related, or this Iron Maiden figure that looks horror related. These cost me, he was asking 20 and 10. I said, hey, is it time for the half price part of the sale yet? And he's like, sure, why not? So I got him for 10 and 5. This Bender is easily gonna get me 40 or 50 bucks off of that $5. And this Iron Maiden McFarlane figure, which is a big name to watch out for. Sorry, my battery light came on. I'm just gonna adjust that so I can see what I'm doing. You know, that big, your battery is low, 20%, that big box that covers your whole screen. Anyways, anything McFarlane is generally really good, unless it's a sports figure. A lot of them are garbage. And this guy is gonna for sure sell for like $60 to $80 off of 10 bucks, so another $50 profit. And I'm sure they're on your radar already, but if they're not, vinyl is officially back. I mean, it's been back for so long that it's already fading a little bit in my opinion. But anytime you can get, and make sure you open a couple of the albums up. You don't have to do them all. If the person kept, you know, most of them in good condition, they'll all be in good condition. If you find the first 2 or 3 you look at are scratched, they're probably all scratched. But the kind of stuff you want, you know, the Eagles, Hotel California, obviously ZZ Tops. I think my wife likes Neil Diamond. Maybe that's why I bought it. I don't know. You know, the Beach Boys, Headpins, you may not know them, great Canadian band. Everybody loves ABBA, Elvis, Boston. A lot of these are just $5 records, but I got 17 records here for 15 bucks. Even if we average $5 a piece, that's $85 back of that 15. But when you run into something like this, Kiss, that's gonna be a guaranteed 20 to 25 bucks. This one is gonna be more like 25 to 30 bucks. Some more common ones, Air Supply. Joan Jett is usually a good $10 record. A couple Duran Durans also are going to be $10 or $15 records. And Rolling Stone, always good for $10 to $20. So we're going to average well above $5 a record. Easily going to make about $125 to $150 off of this $15 investment. You know the stuff to get. If you can get heavy metal, that's the #1 bestseller. 70s and 80s, anything heavy metal. So yeah, those Kiss ones are easily gonna get me 50 bucks. So that's it, you guys. That is my top 10-ish finds for this weekend. A lot of $5 turning into $50, a lot of $20 turning into $100. I did a little Instagram post. If you didn't see it, check out my IG. Where, yeah, 3 items I bought for $20, $20, $20, and they're gonna sell for $350. Such easy money. If you guys have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. Any questions about selling on Facebook, I'll do my best to answer them because I love selling on Marketplace. It's really my niche. I do great on that locally. And then I focus on eBay and Amazon in winter time with the smaller stuff. So yeah, leave me some questions if you have them, and if you have not already done so, please share this with your friends and family, and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so you know when all my new videos come out. I hope you guys all have a great day and love what you do.